people, this is another amazing head wrap with okay material, and the division is 50-50 if I'm not mistaken. So if you're a visual learner, I just want to advise that you focus your eyes and watch the way it is being done, because I realize that visual learners do get learning things by watching. So if you're a listener, if you're a good listener, I'll do justice to that by explaining how this is being achieved. So for listeners, you can see that I just made like 3 pleats, and for visual learners, just watch. Watch, don't mind this talk thing, it's not for you. So the listeners, just pleat like 3 pleats, and you take it to the back, you cross it like this. Do you understand? So for one part, just pick it like this and make a rough pleat down, then you place it on your head. If you are coming across my video for the first time, thanks for stopping by and watching this one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thanks so much for doing that. I won't take that for granted. So after doing that, you can see I'm still arranging and pleating down, which I'll be pinning it down at the last part there. So after pinning down, you can see before pinning down, I'm even adjusting so that it will not look too small. So here I'm still pinning down. Just focus your eyes and watch. So after pinning down, guys, I have to pick up the other one. I'm picking up the other one to pleat it, make a rough pleat as well, and I place it on that one I just left. Then you see, just you need to focus, please, just focus, no distraction, and you pleat again till you reach this side. When you reach that side, just do it like that and pin it down. Pin it down. You can see this is already forming a round gele, right? But we want to make some, something unique, like unique round gele. After placing it down there, then you raise this up and you pin it to the back, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, leave your comment, okay? So sorry if I'm not audible enough. I think this is the loudest, this is the highest volume I can give us at this time. I'm giving this voice over, so don't mind me, please. So you do the same thing to the other side by pleating it down. By pinning it down, then you try to adjust and adjust and adjust. Guys, what do you think about this head wrap? It's nice. You see, what I always tell you, when you are done with gele, don't always rush and leave it. Give it some touch, like look at it. Where can I touch again to give it that beautiful look? So that is just what I'm doing there, guys. So before you go, don't do as if you did not hear. Just follow for more head wrap. Like, share, and comment, guys. I love you guys, and I'll be dropping more of this in my next video. Thanks, bye.